Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course, Designing, Managing, and Implementing Data Protection for Microsoft 365. I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm also an MCT Microsoft Certified Trainer for 23 consecutive years, so I have lots of training under my belt. I'm an author of 4 published Microsoft technology books, and I speak at several SharePoint and Microsoft 365 conferences around the world. And I'm also a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. Microsoft 365 includes features and functionality to help protect your data. These features can be implemented in the cloud, on-premises, and even on specific client devices running a Windows operating system, iOS, or Android. It's important to plan for the implementation of data protection and to understand the different technologies available to implement, configure, and manage data protection. In this course, we are going to introduce, discuss, and explore several data protection solutions, including configuring data loss prevention, planning and implementing Azure Information Protection, planning and implementing Windows Information Protection, and planning and implementing Information Rights Management. And we'll also discover how these technologies can be integrated to provide a powerful Microsoft 365 data protection solution. By the end of this course, you'll know and understand what needs to be carefully considered to successfully plan for when implementing and configuring data protection solutions in Microsoft 365. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with your organization's planning policies, have a general understanding of the data protection requirements within your organization, and be familiar with the type of data stored in the cloud, on premises, and on your users' devices. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about data protection with my Designing, Managing, and Implementing Data Protection for Microsoft 365 course available here at Pluralsight.